Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to fix YouTube videos showing video unavailable, this content isn't available in 2026, and get videos playing again properly. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix this, you can simply clear your cache. In order to do that, go to settings. To go to settings, click the three buttons here. Scroll down until you see settings. In here, click privacy and security. Scroll down until you see third-party cookies. Now scroll down once again until you see a see all site data and permissions. Now in here you can simply delete all data. And if that didn't work, check your VPN because sometimes there are geological restrictions for every country. And if that didn't work, it might be that the video is now deleted or it's now in private. For one of the solutions as well is you simply restart the page by hitting this button, or simply Ctrl-Shift and R. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.